Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this pumpkin keychain. So to begin with, take your orange yarn. We're gonna do a slip knot. And then chain 12. After you've done 12 stitches, we're gonna start doing half double crochet. So yarn over, and we're gonna go to the second stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, just go here, yarn over, pull through. So you have 3 loops on a hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. So we made half double crochet. And now again, we're gonna do half double crochet. So yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, have 3 loops on a hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. And keep doing half double crochets till the end, and I'm gonna meet you there. When you reach the end, for the next row, we're gonna do half double crochets again, but we're gonna do in the back loop only. So chain 1, turn your work, and then yarn over and go into the next stitch, but go not like this, but here, just in a very back loop, and do half double crochet, and again go in here, and keep doing this till the end of the row. After you're done, it should start looking something like this. So we're gonna keep doing half double crochets in the back loop only for 8 more rows, and I'm gonna meet you after you're done. And in the end, it should look something like this. And now we're gonna start the sewing. This just leave quite a long tail. Take your tapestry needle, now here, so we're gonna kind of fasten it off, so just go with your needle through the holes. So it's nice and fastened. Now after we have fastened it off, we're gonna sew the edge here. So just take your needle, and here just go through first one, and here go through like in the back loop again. And just keep repeating this till you reach the end. After you reach the end, it should look something like this little tube. We're gonna close up this here. So usually I just kind of go through each stitch, like a little zigzag. Yeah, and then just pull through. So this is closed, and when reverse it, kind of looks like a little hat. And now we're gonna add the eyes. So just choose where you think it will look nicest. So I think I'm just gonna do like around there. So after you put your safety eyes, so I put it kind of here, like the little curve or like edges here, and then it's 2 eyes. And now we're just gonna stuff it. And then the same way as before, we're gonna close up the bottom here. So after you fasten the bottom here, you should have something like this. And so we're just going to do a mount in the middle, but for now we're gonna do the little stem. Take your green yarn and we're gonna do a slip knot and chain 5. And then we're just gonna do single crochets. So go into the second stitch from the hook and do single crochet. Yeah, and then you should have something like this. And then just fasten off. So now what we're gonna do is take your pumpkin and put this orange yarn in the middle so it's at the top. And here, just pull through. And then here we're gonna just sew this on top. So we're gonna connect these, so fold it in half and then these together. So you're gonna do these two and this little tip together so it kind of comes up like this. So just put your needle through the corner here. And here and here. Just pull through. And then put your orange yarn again into the middle and put it at the bottom. Just pull through. And you got yourself a little stem for your pumpkin. And now we're just gonna fasten off our orange yarn. Just gonna cut this one. So just fasten this off so it's nice and secure. Let's just do like a little knot. And put in the middle here so it's a bit hidden. And cut this yarn here. And now we're gonna hide these green green thread as well. So the same way, just put it in the middle. Yeah, and you got yourself a little pumpkin, and now we're just gonna use this black yarn to do a little smile here. And for here, I'll just pull it slightly and do a knot so it doesn't come out as easily. And pull through to the bottom so it's a bit hidden. And pull this and cut. Now we're gonna do the same with the other side of the mat. So just pull this a bit to the side. And again, we're gonna do a knot. And again, after you've done the knot, just do it to the side or to the middle. Just pull through and cut that here. Yeah. So your little pumpkin is done, and now just, if you wish, you can attach your little keychain thingy here. You can either open this little clasp and attach it, but I was just gonna sew it with orange thread. Just again go through the middle and come out just where the stem is. Twist through. And go again in the middle. And then just do a little knot. Again, the same way, just hide the ends. So after you've done all your little amount and hid all your little threads, your pumpkin is officially done. You all can obviously have it as pumpkin itself, but I attached a little keychain. And yeah, so this is done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in my future videos. Bye!